We are in the Manara University at the Occupational Therapy program, and we have a course, specific course in the hand therapy within the occupational therapy. The course is divided in two parts. The first one is theoretical, with all biomechanics and functional stuffs applied to occupational therapy, and the second one more practical, in which we build splints for the occupational therapy, for all the hand problems that allow the patients to do the things of activity daily living. It's a nice course that allows the students to build their own splints and have something practical to do in their job, thanks to Armadella and to Amal Organization, and also Unimore, University of Modena and Reggio Emilia.